Hello you guys, I just wanted to touch base with you and talk a little bit about the button on the DJI, on the DX6i and up to go into agility mode and do your flips, then come back to the stability mode and fly. I can't fly in the agility mode. It's just too touchy and hard to do, so a lot of guys feel the same way. So they come up with the stagility mode. Up on the stagility link, you can see that. Indoor Hilly came up with that idea and did a mix on your radios, which did a fantastic job. And I've been learning that and doing that. And then all of a sudden, another person came up on page 29. You go there and you can see the pictures of it. Jalera, J-L-I-R-A, came up with the idea of a button to toggle. Instead of doing the toggle switch, use a button on your radio, and you just push it and hold it. And I thought that was a great idea, and he did it, and it was much easier to do. And here's how it was done. He shows pictures up on the page 29. I don't want to take any credit for this at all. I just thought I might show you guys this, and I've been practicing, and I just want to do a little video on it. Here is the button that replaced the toggle switch that switched it over to stability or agility, and you would just give the throttle a little bit of throttle, and on that toggle switch, and it would switch over to the agility mode. Then when you released it back to center, it would go to the stability mode. So now we just took two wires that hooked to this and just soldered two more wires to that same switch, moved it over here, and run two wires over to the little button that you get at Radio Shack. And he's got the button number up there. You get 4 buttons for like $4 or something at Radio Shack, and you just solder the two wires on it. So the power is going to that toggle switch, which you can use on any time you want to, and also comes over and just uses a button. So now when you're flying, all you have to do is just hold the button down. Now you're in this agility mode, and do your flips, whatever you want to do, and as you release it, it's back automatically to the stability mode, and you can fly. I love flying in the stability mode, and once you practice a little bit, I'm getting better and better and better with it. Now, I've only owned the 350QX for a couple of months. I think I got it the second week of February, and this is like April the 21st or 2nd right now. And this button that Jalera put on the Stagility site, on the thread, he just came out with, I think, last week. It's on page 29, and so I've been practicing. So I'm doing a video now. Follow this, of me just practicing with it. It's kind of a long video. You might not want to watch it all, but some of you guys might want to watch it. But it's me learning. I got better and better and better. At the end of it, I was really doing some pretty good flips. And the object that I was trying to do was actually do flips and keep moving at the same time. If you see some of the other videos up on the Stagility site thread, you'll see some remarkable flying. All those guys up there are really good. But anyway, and I've learned so much from just going up there and watching all those videos. So my video here, you're going to see me, if you want to keep on watching it, practicing doing this. And I was going to just really show you an easy way of doing this, of setting this mod up. If you use your foam that came out of your radio, the one with the holes in it for your top, you turn it over and you can set your radio right down in it. It keeps it nice and level and won't move around on you. And all you have to do is just take out 6 screws, which are here, 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 right here, each corner. Take those screws out, and when you bring the back open, you've got 3 wires that are plugged in, similar to like your balance wires, your balancer plugs. So you just have, you don't have much room. You just have to lean it straight up, and you reach around in and you unplug those 3 plugs. And make sure your batteries are out. Take your batteries out. Unplug those 3 plugs. Now you're free. You leave your face down in your radio, down in this foam, move it out of the way, and now you can turn it over and work on this. And you just drill the hole over here to match the same hole that was here, and move the toggle over there and put it in. And I did the soldering while it was mounted because I didn't have a way to hold it, and I also mounted the button and did the soldering while the button was mounted. So then all you do is flip it. And so hopefully you can see this. I hope I got it in the film, and I'll be doing some flying. And I think I get better and better as the flying gets going. So you'll see near the end of the video that I'm getting better. I'm wanting to do flips and big rolls and be able to keep on going at the same time. Just kind of do it in flight. And it's working out better and better. So something you might want to think about doing. And what's really great is that you can use this in the stagility mode if you want to do your motors, which I've been learning in, and you program your DX6 or up, whatever it is, for the stability. And so when you're in that button, push the button down, you got a little bit of a play. When you move your throttle, or move your aileron, I should say, it goes into the agility mode. Well, you can also just not even do any programming and just leave it in stock mode. And when you push the button, you're in the agility, and you just run it, release it, you're back in stability. And so you don't even need to do any programming. You just put the button in. Just food for thought. Thought people might like to see that. Nothing against whatever's all the guys that credit that Indoor Healy's done up there has been remarkable. All those guys contributed to all that mode. This button is a great idea. Makes it easy. You can do it in the stock mode, or you can give you a little bit of play and put the stagility program in, and you have a little play. You can adjust it. Good gosh, I've adjusted that on the gear to gear down. I've gone all the way down to 10% or minus 10 to give me more play right there before it goes into the agility mode. But really, when you're using the button, you don't even need to do that. It just works perfectly. So on to my practicing. I'm going to do some practicing here. Really, I've only had 350 for a couple of months. I bought it in the second week of February. So I'm learning, and I love it, having a ball. Thank you guys up there on this forum on helicfreak.com. It's been wonderful. Also, when you're doing this mod, while I had the case open, I had ordered the backlight kit for the radio and the buzzard for the radio. And while I had it out, I went ahead and installed that. So my backlight here is green. You can get it in blue or red, whatever color you want, up on the eBay site. Comes in from wherever, California or wherever it comes in from, but guys got them up there. Really great. Might be China, but everything else comes from China. But it's really good. Wasn't hard to do. Lights up the background for the DX6i, which doesn't have the lighted background. Some of your upper models, and $500 models, they got them all and talks to you and all that. But great addition to it, and it's got the buzzer in. Whenever anything beeps, you can hear it kind of it vibrates when you're doing that. So that worked out real well. I went ahead and did that too. Put the backlight in and the buzzer in there. I think they were like $20 or something like that. And while I had it open, I went ahead and did that. So you might consider that. But again, when you're doing this mod, it's real easy. You move, like I say, move the toggle switch over to the left. Put the wires over to this button, and just I actually put the button and toggle switch in, and that way I held the back sitting down. I could get to it and actually do my soldering. That hold it in place. Did my soldering. Just make sure your batteries are out there before you start. But great mod. I really like it a lot. It's made a world of difference flying, and I'm thoroughly enjoying flying this thing. It's great. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stick around, and oh, by the way, I want to let you know that I've never flown an RC before until I bought this 350, and so it's been a great learning experience. I've done some crashes and I've replaced some bodies. I've looked at some of my other videos, and you'll find out I've had a lot of fun. Still am having fun. I'm planning on having more fun. I'm really do like the 350. I like more flying it like this than I do just with the taking video. By the way, all my films done by the Mobius. I buy the cheap Mobius from China, and the action cam, and all my filming, everything I've done has been with that action cam. I just bought a gimbal. I put a gimbal on the copter and been flying with it, messing around. Not really big into doing that. It's fun, but to put it up there and just let it idle and run around and hover around is not real exciting to me. Although I like the videos, looking at all the videos up that way, so I am playing with that, and I might get in that FPV down the road. But right now, flying it, doing flips, and having fun is a thing for me. No, by the way, I'm 66 years old, so I'm an old man, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. Have fun. Talk to you later.